Hello, this is Tyre. I've got a Smart here on a 67 plate, which this particular model goes from 2015 to 2019. Now to reset the tyre pressure warning light, we'll just show you how it's done. But that's the tyre size if you've got 15s on there. And then if you've got 16s, that's what needs to go on the car, and the pressure as well. Once you've done the pressure all round, all you then do is switch the ignition on, go into the main display, which is right there. These are the function buttons you need to work on basically. So if I go into change settings, I need to switch the ignition on. Change settings, press OK. Now go down to tyre pressure, press OK again. Now adopt current pressure as new, yes, because we've done that already. So if I do that, it says pressure monitor restarted. That's it, job done. So I'll go back again into the main display, start the car up. That's it, no longer the pressure warning lights on, and no warning messages with regards to servicing as well. So if you go through this setting display, next service due is in 12,500 miles, and no more warnings. That's all you need to do on this little smart car. If there is any more information you require, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video as well. Thank you very much. Goodbye.